What if I told you this entire pitch deck, structured, branded, and ready to present, was generated right inside Google Slides using a single prompt? No copy pasting, no manual formatting, just AI right inside the tool you already use every day. And the same add-on works in Google Sheets, Google Docs, Forms too. And let me show you how it works. Open any Google Slides file, go to Extensions, click on Add-ons, get add-ons. Type in the search bar AI Agent for Work. Here you will see an Ajelix. I have already installed the add-on, so it shows me uninstall, but once you click install, you will get the add-on. And to use the add-on, go again to the extensions, and here you will be able to select the AI agent for work. Let's open the add-on. As a new user, you will see an input API key. To get the API key, you have to go to chat.ajelix.com, click under the profile settings and copy the API key and insert it right here. Let's start creating the presentation, and we'll start with a prompt where I'm going to ask AI to research my SaaS product right here. Create a modern professional pitch deck for an investor meeting. Let's just change the model and let's click send. And here it is, a complete, ready to edit pitch deck. You can ask it to revise any slide, change the tone, add more detail. It's a full conversation where you can chat with the AI. With the same add-on, you can chat with AI to brainstorm ideas, extract data from the web, automatically pull in real information, or upload a PDF like a report or a document and convert it directly into the presentation. The same add-on is available for Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Forms, same agent, same power, right inside every tool in your workspace. Or if you prefer, you can access the full experience at chat.ajelix.com as a web interface. Check out other workspace use cases on this channel and try it for yourself. There's a free tier available at chat.ajelix.com. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and I'll build it for you. Drop a like if this saved you time, and I'll see you on the next one.